Does your child often sleep with their mouth open? This could be more than just a habit. Might be a sign of enlarged adenoids, glands at the back of the nose that can block normal breathing. When these glands grow too big, they can block the airway, forcing your child to breathe through their mouth. A simple X-ray of the nasopharynx can help diagnose this. Treatment may include medication or minor surgery, depending on the severity. Don't ignore the signs. Early diagnosis can make all the difference in your child's breathing, sleep, and development. Visit us at www.autismdrmumbai.com.